Hi keyframers, I'm Fred and I'm going to present you in this tutorial GuidesUp, a plugin that will allow you to easily manage your alignments, but not only. So let's go. GuidesUp UI has two formats, a horizontal version and a rectangular version, both being dockable. I prefer the rectangular view, so here is my workspace. Hovering the buttons, you will see help tips in different language according to your After Effects version. I will do a straight overview of the features and show examples if necessary. So first, we have the Unframe button that frames a text, shape or object imported into your composition with the After Effects guides. Pressing the Shift key brings up a small UI to select the edge to position your guide. That being said, you can select multiple layers and create their guides in one click. Then, we have this button. It helps to position the guides around the anchor point. This one is handy because it allows you to create an isometric map with an automatic snap in one single click. Helpful in designing within After Effects or checking if an object really conforms to an isometric view. The next button allows you to create a hex map, which game players are familiar with and can be helpful on aspiring in your graph. Then we have a tool to create a shape related to the golden ratio. Like the other guides, you can scale, rotate, etc. It's up to you. I created this 16:9 aspect ratio button because these guides appear in the Illustrator video file setup, but not in After Effects. Odd, isn't it? Following the same idea, and just for fun, you can add film black stripes to your composition. These three buttons are there to show or hide the guides, activate or deactivate the snap function, and launch the Lock Unlock Guides function. These two buttons are used to export and import your guide setup to another composition or another project. No more long and complex alignments. This button is used to center the anchor points on your items. In the same way, this one centers any object on your composition in one click. Tricky, right? Finally, as a bonus, you can flip horizontally or vertically items, delete your guides, delete layers, so use it wisely, and finally, empty the memory. All these tools and features exist within After Effects. I didn't invent anything. Still, these tools are not always easily accessible, and often we bypass them and do the odd thing out by laziness or because we are in a hurry. That's why it's GuidesUp. Thank you for watching, and hi from Paris.